Hi, and welcome to Three Questions with. Got my buddy Guy with us from Northeast Brokerage. Hey, Guy, welcome to the show.
Hey, thanks, Kevin. I'm happy to be here.
Why don't we start at the beginning? Tell us a little bit about your business. What do you do?
Okay, well, I'm what's called a brokerage general agent. I work with insurance professionals and financial advisors to really help them find the best insurance products in the lines of life, disability, long-term care, and annuities for their clients so that they can help them reach their financial goals.
That seems to really make sense to me because to me, it has to be something that's overwhelming. There's so many options and there's no one size fits all. So the more you can do that for me, help educate me, the better I can be at helping my clients, right?
Yeah, that's exactly right. I mean, you have, oh geez, I work with over 30 different insurance carriers, and each one of their policies is going to have, little nuances either in the underwriting side of it or in the benefits side. Some will offer, for example, a critical illness rider. So where if you get sick with like cancer or maybe a heart attack or another serious illness, you can collect on a portion of your life insurance policy. Some people may want that. Other folks, it might not be appropriate. So you have to know, which companies are going to offer the different riders and the different options.
But like I said, that is overwhelming for the average person, to try to know, like you said, that many different carriers. Or just like you said, someone may come to you with that being a legitimate concern. Hey, you know what? Cancer runs in my family. My odds of having it's really high. So I'd like some protection in case that does happen. Then it sounds like you wouldn't know what product to put them in.
Correct. Yeah. The disability. Disability. That's a whole nother topic. But the critical illness rider, again, it's a minor thing that I brought up, but it brings up the point of the nuance that can be involved in these insurance cases. For example, if somebody has an estate planning situation and they need to put a life insurance policy in their trust, those are typically larger permanent insurance policies. And if someone gets rated or approved standard or even preferred, the pricing differences can be pretty profound. So knowing what those different health issues that will trigger different responses within the carriers, it's a pretty important job.
Sounds it. So if someone wants to speak to you, what's the best way to reach out to you? How can they get in touch with you?
The best way is definitely just give me a call. The good old-fashioned telephone, 603-305-1886.
So what's the typical approach if someone, has an interest? You can either get together, have a Zoom call, learn more about your services?
Yeah, we basically, if I find a financial professional that would like to have a conversation, what we do is usually sit down for a half an hour. I prefer it face to face, but we can also do Zoom.
Yep.
And then we talk about the different ways that we can help them. I want to learn about their business. What are they specializing in? And then once they have a case, we'll put together the illustration, put together all the sales materials. And if need be, I'll come out and sell the policy for some of these reps. Now, there's a lot of folks that are, a lot of these guys, they just want to be asset managers. They don't necessarily want to talk about the big insurance policy. So that's where someone like me is able to come in and give their clients world-class advice and service in order to, again, further them in getting towards their financial goals.
Makes perfect sense. So, Guy, I really appreciate you taking a couple of minutes to jump on the show with us today. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
Yeah, my pleasure, Kevin. Thank you.